Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a word problem involving system of equations, and we're going to try to solve this question by using substitution method. This question is about chickens and rabbits. Here's the question. In the yard were chickens and rabbits. Together they had 14 heads and 44 legs. How many chickens and how many rabbits was in the yard? So in order for us to start the question, we need to represent the two variables, which are two type of animals which we have as chickens and rabbits. We're going to represent them with two variables. Let's call chicken, let's call it C, and let's call the rabbits R. So what we know in the second sentence is together they had 14 heads. So this means C plus R is supposed to be the total number of animals, which is 14. And there are 44 legs in this yard. That means we know that chickens have 2 legs. So we need to multiply the C by 2 for each chicken, and then plus we know that rabbits have 4, so number of rabbits needs to be multiplied by 4. If we get the sum of all those animals' legs, that's supposed to be equal to 44. So in the next step, we can write one variable in terms of another, because we will be able to use substitution technique. So let's take this first equation we have and take away R from both sides, so we can leave the C alone and isolate the C. R's are going to be cancelled out. C would be equal to 14 minus 14. Let me correct this. minus R. So this is going to be the expression we will be using, 14 minus R instead of C in the second equation. So once we look at the second equation right here, let me go ahead and grab the black color. Instead of writing C in the second equation, I can write 14 minus R and plus 4 times R. That should be equal to 44. Now let's go ahead and solve this equation. Because we have only one variable, we'll be able to see the number of rabbits at the end. So distributive property, 2 times 14, that's going to be 28. 2 times R, that's going to be 2R. There's a minus sign in between. And then plus 4R equals 44. So if you simplify this expression right here, that's going to be 28 minus 2R plus 4R, that should be equal to plus 2R, which is equal to 44. And in order for us to isolate R, we need to take away 28 on both sides, and that would be equal to 2R equals 44 minus 28. So 44 minus 28 is 16. 2R, if it is equal to 16, once I divide both sides by 2, I can end up with the value of R, which is equal to 8. So this is going to be the number of rabbits in this yard. We know that C was equal to, right here, C was equal to 14 minus R. Instead of writing R, I can write down 8. 14 minus 8, that's going to be equal to 6. So number of chickens in this yard is 6. There's 6 chickens and 8 rabbits. This would be the solution to this system of equations using substitution technique.